Hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to continue working on the drop, and we're going to move on to quarter note and eighth note rhythms. You'll find a link to the sheet music in the description below. If at any time you're confused, remember to check back to previous videos. Alright, let's get started and break down the first rhythm. We're going to start off with the baby scratch for the first measure. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, and 4 and then we're going to drop on beat 1 of the second measure and pull back on beat 2. Then we're going to baby scratch 3 and 4 and. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. We're going to move on to the second example. We're going to play the same rhythm, but this time we're going to play it 2 times for a total of 4 measures. This time around, let's try to make sure that we pull the record back to the start of the sound. Don't worry if it feels awkward. As long as you practice, you'll eventually work it out over time. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's move on to the third example. But before we start, let's break it down so you can have an idea as to how the example is to be played. This time, we're going to drop on beats 1 and 3 of the first measure. Then in the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 8 eighth notes. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. 1. Time to break down the fourth example. We're going to drop on beats 1 and 3 of the first measure. Then in the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 8 eighth notes. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Let's also focus on trying not to rush the pullback. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. 1. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to practice this lesson several times with both hands. For more detailed lessons and more advanced rhythms, be sure to check out our premium videos at scratchingmadeeasy.com. See you soon. Peace.